Hi everyone, hope you do well. So I'm just going to do an update here on regular cash ISAs. So separate to the lifetime cash ISAs, and also separate to stocks and shares ISAs, etc. So just for September or so, 2025 in the UK. Before I get started, if you like the content, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you want coverage or anything else, and we'll get started. So basically, you have two camps of cash ISAs, so regular cash ISAs, I'll call them. And basically, you've got uh, the lesser known brands that they're up and coming still. Like Trading 212, you do see adverts for them, etc. And then you've got the more well-known brands. So I'll focus on just the less known ones today because they do have the higher rates generally. So Trading 212, you've got the 4.3% at the moment, and most of that, so 3.8% or so, is the regular variable rate. And basically, you've got if you're a new customer, you get the 1.05% bonus on top. So if you're not regular, you don't get it, and after the 1 year period, you also don't get it. So just it's a higher rate for a year, but if you imagine after 1 year, it may drop obviously below the base rate, so you might be technically losing money from it. But but it is a flexible ISA, so you can move money in and out a lot more freely than a lot of other ISA products. So if you put 1,000 in, take it back out because you need it, put it back in. There's no penalties, and you also it'll only count as 1,000 one time as opposed to both times. So that's in a bit of a contrast to say Plum, which I believe you can. The rate's very similar, so it's 4.35% as opposed to 4.38%. Again, it's got very similar. It's like you've got a base rate and then the bonus rate is about percent or so. Again, it's only for new customers. It's only for a year. But if you take out money more than 3 times, it drops to 3 or so%. And then it's not a flexible ISA. So if you put 1,000 in, take it out, put it back in, it counts as 2,000 as opposed to the 1,000. And then Chip, quite similar to Trading 212, as in they offer other products and services. It's app only, etc. Those are 4.32%. So you're talking really marginal differences in those. They're all pretty much the same, as in they've got a base rate, around the 3 or so% mark, a bonus for 1 year for new customers of 1 or so% mark. This one actually is flexible ISA though. So if you put 1,000 in, take it back out, put another 1,000 in, it will only count as 1,000. So not financial advice, but hopefully a helpful update.